Hello everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, August the 1st. As per usual, this is a little series that will show you types and things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week we really just opened a lot of boxes, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. I just wanted to cut here in the middle and let y'all know that we do have our August bargains going on. So if you go into our August bargains category, you can get 20% off any of those fabrics in that category. The code is AUG20. So just type that in. The link will be in the description below so you can go ahead and check out our August bargains. That does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this series. It really does mean a lot to us. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did, and hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.